Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Microsoft Edge won't open or not responding. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Microsoft Edge, click End Task. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Search with Edge. Click three dots, click Modify. Click Repair. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.